Jackie and Jalen here with another fun video. We are going to be showing you how we redid this really cool dresser that we found on OfferUp Marketplace, and we're going to show you how we flipped it for my bedroom. So stay tuned.
Hey guys, it's Jackie and Jalen with Aaliyah, and today we are going to go pick up a dresser that we saw on OfferUp, as you saw earlier. So just stay tuned to see what we do with it.
Hey guys, we're here at the hardware store, and we're going to be taking you in and grabbing some stains, some paints, and some antique wax. So we'll see what we find. Alright guys, we got it. We are super excited. Aaliyah?
Yes.
Okay, we got her. We're super excited to work on this dresser. Right now it is about 103, and we're not going to be doing anything right now. We're going to wait till it cools down this evening. The idea for the dresser is to use it in my bedroom, and we're going to take you on the journey where we're going to show you how we're going to do the dresser, paint it, do some antiquing to it, and then some other really cool tips and tricks to do to the top, and we're going to show you how to do it, and it's going to be really, really cute. So we're super excited, so stay tuned. gonna be ready to spray the dresser. We already cleaned it. We're going to be leaving these out. We're gonna spray this as is, so that way we get a nice even spray throughout everything. Once the paint is actually dry, we're gonna take the drawers out and touch up all the edges on the inside where the drawers are gonna sit. And then after that, we can apply our antiquing and our distressing. And then we're gonna be putting the wood plank top on it and routering and staining that, and then we should be finished. So keep watching.
Oh, you're good. You're good. The part I didn't get on video.
Oh, there's nothing.
It didn't even break. Look.
No, that's what I'm saying. That's just glue and some nails.
Yeah. I'm so sorry.
No, you're good, Allie.
What is it?
Yeah, that's a dovetail joint. What happened, Jackie?
She did it. I didn't drop it. She did it.
So
Aaliyah.
if you ever run into this problem, let me put it on the table so it's already at that point.
I don't know who dropped it. Really did it its own.
So sometimes these drawers are can be really old, and these dovetail drawers can break. So we definitely want to fix this drawer so that way we can salvage it. We're gonna need glue. We're gonna need a nail gun and some brad nails. That way we can take this out. We're just gonna remove a lot of the stuff and just fix it so that way we can reuse it. Her face.
I know. That's what cracked me up. Oh, I took it out.
Painting after dark.
I got pliers, guys.
We got suppliers.
There's a worm.
Look at the worm.
Here, bring it over here. Put it on camera.
Little.
Is it an inchworm?
Yes. Can you see it?
And then we have all the lights over here.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, I can be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks,
subscribe.
I'm gonna make mistakes.
subscribe.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Guys, so we are up here on the table, and let me try to get, there you go. So we just clamped this top, and we're gonna let this sit and dry overnight just because we use lots of glue. And once in the morning, once we're done, we are going to plane this, router this, and finish this project off. So we'll see you in the morning. Y'all have a good night.
Hey everybody, this is John, Jackie's husband, the man behind the camera. I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch the first video in a 2-video series. Due to time constraints, we decided to split it up into 2 parts. So I'm telling you, you're not going to want to miss next week's video because this dresser turned out amazing. But before we go, I want to give you all a huge shout out for all the love and support you showed our new channel. Every like, every subscribe, every share you've made means the world to us and to our family. And I just wanted to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And we hope to catch you guys on next week's video. You guys take care. Bye-bye.